In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious vegan barbecue mayo. This is going to be your new favorite dipping sauce if you are a barbecue sauce lover, and it's so easy to make. It honestly only takes 1 or 2 minutes to put this together, and it is so good. So we're going to start with a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. You'll want to make sure that is smoked for the flavor. We've got 2 tablespoons of vegan mayo and 2 tablespoons of vegan barbecue sauce of your choice. Optionally, you can add in a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar if you like, but you don't have to. So we're just going to get a medium mixing bowl, and I'm going to start adding in my vegan mayo. Now for your vegan mayo and your vegan barbecue sauce, if you want this to be a little healthier, you can make those homemade, but it's really fast and easy. I just purchased mine. I have the Hellmann's vegan mayo here, and then this is an organic barbecue sauce that I purchased, so it just makes it fast and easy. Now I'm going to add in my spices. Again, you want to make sure that is smoked for the flavor, and then I'm going to add in my onion and garlic powder, and all I have to do is just mix this up. So you can just stir that with a spoon. Mix, mix, mix. Before you know it, you're going to have this gorgeous dipping sauce. And this barbecue mayo, or as it's called, Mayocue, is so good on all of your favorite finger foods. It's absolutely delicious on a burger. So I have it here on this crispy air fryer tofu, these crispy little air fryer tofu bites, and it is honestly my favorite sauce for that, and it's amazing on fries and sweet potato fries.
All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.